The first thing I did was I cut it the notes like this, and I well, let me show you that again how I did it, because I think it's going too fast. Because if you use the scissor knob over here, the scissor tool, and then press the Alt button. Let's first, I want it on the count, so, and then press Alt. You see the plus besides the scissor, and then it cuts all of the on every count on the same place. I can do it again, but on let's say 8 notes. You see, and why do I do that? Because I want to reverse every count. So I'm gonna select everything, and I have a shortcut for it. It's Alt R. Whoop. But it's also here reverse.